In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create widgets in Notion. By the end, you'll know how to pick a widget you love, customize it, and embed it cleanly into any Notion page so your workspace looks great and stays useful. First, open your browser and head to Indify. Indify is a popular library of customizable widgets designed to work smoothly with Notion, and it's perfect for things like progress bars, clocks, habit trackers, and more. Once you're on the site, take a moment to browse the gallery. You'll see a variety of widget types, each with a short description. Pick the one that fits your goal today, maybe a progress bar for a project or a weather widget for your dashboard, and click it to open its setup screen. You'll be asked to give your new widget a name. Choose something descriptive so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to create several widgets. After naming it, click Continue to move into the configuration panel. Now you're in the editor where the fun happens. Here, you can adjust options like colors, fonts, layout, and any widget-specific settings. Many widgets show a live preview, so tweak the look until it matches your Notion aesthetic and the information you want to highlight. Think about readability. Clear contrast and simple styling usually work best inside Notion's minimal interface. When you're happy with the design, look toward the bottom left of the Indify editor and click Copy Code. This copies the unique link or embed code that Notion will use to display your widget. Keep it on your clipboard. You'll paste it in just a moment. Switch over to Notion and open the page where you want the widget to appear. Click into the page and type a /, then start typing the word embed. Select the embed option from the menu that appears. A small window will pop up asking for a link. Paste the code or link you copied from Indify into the field. Finally, click Embed Link. Notion will generate the widget block right on your page. Give it a second to load, and you should see your customized widget live and interactive. If you want it to fit better, you can drag the block to reposition it, place it in a column, or adjust its width to keep your layout tidy. If you ever need to update the look, return to Indify, tweak the settings, and refresh the Notion page to see the changes. And that's it. You've created, customized, and embedded a Notion widget using Indify. Keep exploring different widgets to build a dashboard that's both beautiful and genuinely helpful.